Government ekatandika ebigomba by'okukundusa ab'egihanga lyabo omu mwaka gw'2029 kandi ihuriro egi ekatongozebwaho omukuru w'ihanga n'ekigendererwa ky'okukuza eminyito ebiine omutima gw'ihanga.
Kworeka emicwe mirungi omu kujwara kurungi omu kworeka innovation ninga kuhangahanga ekintu jubajuba kandi no kwereka obukugu uko kubasa kuba mwebembezi omu bwire bwa nyensakali ogenogezaho okukora ebintu birungi.
I want to thank the head teachers abayohereza abana. The other time, as Melanie has already mentioned, we were very few, but at least now I have seen a vibe. Na nyina ashemererwa kulebeka yo mu scout naleba ba scout bine vibe.
Omukampu y'aba scout abamaze ebiro bishatu bari kubangurwa rwetabirwemu amashomero 18 konka kurugirira hari bakuru b'amashomero ehuriro egirimo omugasho muhango.
Watari mulungi mu class konka ndi mulungi mu scout so nawe nawe yana representing Kamwenje so buli kimwe cyone kibi Kamwenje nka district yawe netekaho opportunities ezo zone bitonka upendo tutekanize kuzejumberamo kandi kuzitana amani menshi.
Ecyo kubanza munonga regiremo ikintu kibarukweta discipline kandi no kwatanisa ahabo kuba tabaru kubasa kuturaho bonka kwiyaho begiremo okushanga mu betenga obwezi ahari bagenzi babo.
Because this thing you take it as something simple but it is something important for our people, for the future of our Uganda. Because now what you are doing here, it is an exhibit of having good leaders.
Abeje babenu bahayahayanira ebintu by'omukono bitari bimwe na bimwe Upendo de and Nasare basinjira empakezi aha rurengo rwa primary rero Kamwenje secondary and vocational basinjira mu gasiniya.
I have learned discipline and I have got some ideas of building tents, working together.
Twegere ko twakubasa conserving the environment. Conserving the environment ntubasa kuhinga miti tutahingira miti tubasa kuhinga emyani.
Gasha kwa Anthony Twine.